Hi viewers, welcome to Rasavin Swai. I am going to make Avla Chutney today. For that I have taken 4 Avla and sliced and kept it here. 1 green chili, coriander leaves, 1 small piece of ginger, few curry leaves. Now the oil is hot, 1 teaspoon of oil I have put it in this. Little bit of mustard seeds in it and cumin seeds, 1 red chili, a spoon of chana dal, the green chili also goes in, we'll put the avla in it. Avla, I had put it in the salt water day before yesterday and it is very crispy. It's very tasty also with the salt. I'm not going to saute this till it is tender. Just saute this for a minute. Switch off the gas. Add the curry leaves also in it. And grind to a coarse paste by adding little water in it. I have put everything in this. Now salt we will add later stage, because after grinding this, if it is required, we will add the salt. Our Avla chutney is ready here. This tastes really good. Today I am going to serve this with plain rice, Brine Amla Chutney. Thank you so much for watching the video. Nowadays the Avla is available in abundance, so you can really try this. Eat healthy, stay healthy. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye-bye. Plain rice, Avla chutney and Brine Amla Chutney.